friends, and I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss World TESOL Academy reviews. So friends, do you want to get the 120-hour TESOL or TEFL course? So you can earn your qualification in order to start the teaching overseas and online with the help of this website. So I'm going to tell you the basic features of this website, but I request you to watch this video till the end and you will get to know the clear picture of this website. As you can see, they have explained about the course. Approximately 1 billion students around the world are currently learning the English language. These students include adults hoping to further their careers and to travel the world with ease, and the teenagers are hoping to go overseas to continue their studies. So basically, a TESOL and the TEFL certificate is an essential qualification which is required by most of the schools when hiring English language, that is ESL teachers. So through this qualification course, you'll learn the fundamental skills which is required to become an English language teacher. It includes an essential understanding of how the English language is structured, along with a range of classroom management skills and language teaching techniques. So friends, by the end of the course, you will earn your TESOL or TEFL qualification and you will gain a set of skills that can be used to teach English overseas and online. So friends, I'm going to move further and tell you more about the TESOL and the TEFL course, that how you have to initiate with this course. But before that, I request you to like this video, share the video and subscribe the channel, as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative videos like this. So friends, if you are interested in this course, you can just enroll here on this green icon by clicking on it. And before it, the fees was $118 USD, but now it has been $34 USD. So you can start studying as soon as you complete the enrollment. So basically how it works, you really have to not do any complicated steps. For most of the students, it will take around 2 to 3 weeks to complete all of the lessons, and you can then further earn your TESOL certificate. Firstly, you have to enroll in the course. You have to start by completing the course enrollment. Then you have to study online. You have to study through the course materials that are provided all online at your own pace. You can also use a computer or a mobile device and study whenever you have time available. You don't need any specialist equipment. You just require a computer or a mobile device with an internet connection. Then you have to pass the course assessments. You have to make sure that you are truly understand the principles and the techniques in the course, and you also need to complete a short assessment at the end of each module, and thereby there's a full examination at the end of the course. After the examination, you get your certification, and you'll receive your certificate as soon as you complete the course assessments, and the certificate displays your name, your certificate's unique ID number, then the date of the completion and the detail of the course modules and the assessments you have completed. So friends, this is all about the getting the TESOL or the TEFL certificate through this website, and you can also see the course testimonials, how the other students and how the people have gained their certificate, and you can see the reviews. You can go through it. They also have mentioned the module introduction, what kind of modules will be included in this course. You can just go through it. Then there's a good news for you, that you have a free course preview as well. So you can take a free preview of the initial introduction module of the course over here, and this module shows how to use the course and the content included, and an introduction to teach the overseas or online. So you need to fill in your first name, your email ID, and you will get a free preview. So they have given additional information which you can just go through, that what all benefits you can get after you get a certification, and also the qualification required. So friends, they also have FAQs, all the kind of queries you have in your mind, you can just go through them. So friends, that's all about this site, and what viewpoints do you have regarding this website? Do mention it in the comment box. And friends, also we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video and also share it. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. So friends, be informed and be safe.